Okay, so I'm going to make myself a quick lunch, or I hope it's quick lunch. My husband always tells me I never do anything quick and easy. I'm using my Kirkland chicken breast chunk in a can. Honestly, the only thing I usually do in a can is tuna, but we're gonna do it. Go ahead and drain it. I do rinse it just a little bit because of the salt, just a little. You don't have to. Go ahead and put that in my bowl. Go ahead and do it to make it small first. Next, we're going to make the sauce, which is going to be, this has 19 grams of fat. The good culture cottage cheese. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Gonna add a little bit of lime juice. You didn't see that. And then some taco seasoning. Not that much. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our thing. Sometimes because it's thick, it'll take a minute. Okay, you can see because it gets so thick it takes a while. So I'm also gonna add, and just so you know, I'm winging this, okay? Idea I got in my head and I was like, you know what, let me record myself doing it. I'm gonna do, it says 1 tablespoon. Let's see if that helps. I don't know. I might have to add a little bit of water, but we will see. Go ahead and try this again. Okay. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Set this aside for a minute. Now we're going to go ahead. Here's our chicken. We're going to add some beans, some black beans. These are leftover beans. We're going to add some cilantro. Then we're going to add some red onions. Okay. Then we're going to add a little bit of cheese. It is the Oaxaca cheese, just a little, because we're going to bake it, and then some medium cheddar. Not that much at all. And we're going to add our stuff. See how this works out, okay? You know, I don't know if I thought this one through. Maybe I needed 2 cans of chicken. Like, this is a lot of sauce. I don't think I needed that much. Vamos a ver. I seriously think I might need another can. And more beans if I do another can, or is this okay? Let's taste it. Don't you just love when you create something and you're like, dude, that's what's happening right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of everything but elote seasoning from Trader Joe's. Generously. Go ahead and put the rest of the cheese. Just to mix it inside. That's what it looks like. And then yes, I'm short. I'm gonna use these because I don't have any of those cute little fancy glass baking. This is because when I wash it after, I need that shit to come out quick and easy. Let's see how many of these I end up needing. Can I help you?
Yeah. I should.
I'll put it here. Go ahead, buddy. Love you too, Papa. Looks like it's just enough for 4. Put a little bit here, a little bit there. And we'll be ordering those little. All right, we're gonna put it like this in the oven. Alexa, set a 15-minute timer. Alexa, max volume. Alexa, did you set a 15-minute timer?
Second timer, 15 minutes, starting now.
So we'll see. Okay, the timer went off. They look really good. I'm gonna have to put it in here because it's going to be hot. And I'm weird like that. The plate is blue, so I'm gonna put the blue one in here. I am going to eat it with my Quest chili lime chips. Because I know it's going to be hot as hell. Actually, let me give it a minute and then I'm going to record myself eating it, okay? But let's go ahead and put these chips around here. So then I can show you guys. I guess I can't. Hold on. Oh, I don't want to burn myself. So, I need a few minutes. Okay, so got a little chip here. Let's see what this turned out like. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth.
No, yo, don't give it to him. Don't give it to him. Yo, it's really. You don't really.
Don't mind my son. He's just playing his VR.
This dude has a super big Galaxy suitcase with thing on it. But me.
Steamy. Can you see it?
Oh, me.
So good.
I have VPN. I have VPN. Yeah, I can do it. It's me.